In this video, I'll show you how to make a YouTube thumbnail with Canva. All you need to do is to go to Canva and here type YouTube thumbnail. You can see here YouTube thumbnail. Now you can choose any template from here. But if you want to make one thumbnail attractive and very nice, you can create a blank YouTube thumbnail. Now you can choose a background color. Depends of your brand. Let's say blue one. Now you can add the picture with you, but if you don't have a picture with you, you can go to elements and type, for example, surprise face. Now you can go to photo and you can see different thumbnails. Let's say this one. When you here, you can go to edit photo and now press background remover. This one is only for Pro Canva. If you don't want to pay, you can click on the link on the description and you can use Canva Pro 30 days for free. So just press here and now you can see we have a nice image here. Now you can go to edit photo and choose another filter if you want. Let's say this one, okay? Now just make bigger and leave here. Nice. Now it's time to add the text. Press on the text and here you can go to any of these, okay? Just press on it. I have already saved. I want to show you. I take this one as well. You can see here I have two fonts very nice for thumbnails. So first one is Impact and the second one is Bangers. Now for example, let's say I use Bangers, okay? Just delete this one, create YouTube, okay? Let's say I put the Impact here, thumbnail, very nice. Now make bigger each one, okay. Now what you can do, just change the color, let's say white. This one white. Okay, let's say this one we choose yellow. Perfect. You see, it's looking already nice. But what you can do, just select the text, go to effects and choose outline. Now choose black and do same thing for this one. Now looking better. If I go again to effects and pull this here, okay, nice. Next, what you can do is to go to elements, for example, and you can add different elements here. Let's say I write YouTube. Okay. And now also, let's say I go here again and I write blue eyes neon. You can see you have this here. What you can do with this, very easy, you can insert in the background. I will show you now. Let's say I take this one, press position. Nice. Now let's say I choose this one as well, make smaller, very nice. And also you can write here splash, okay, and you can have, for example, this one. Yep, but there's not so many here what I need right now. Okay, just go back and write neon and you can see here something similar. Okay, and for example this one, just put on the background exactly like that. So I think it's very nice. If you think as well, Don't forget to press the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.